Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today we're going to do an unboxing for this Crane Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Some of the interesting things about this, it's got a 1 gallon capacity, can run up to 24 hours in the tank. There's no filter required, which I really like. That's actually kind of common with the ultrasonics. You don't have to worry about buying new filters or cleaning them out. That's for a medium-sized room. Some of the things they talk about it's a whispered quiet operation, which is important. I do like a little white noise, but I don't want to hear something rattling all night. And while we're getting it, dry air. It helps support easy breathing and congestion relief for day and night. This is mostly for my wife, but this should provide relief for all of us, just with the dry skin from deep winter in northern Wisconsin. So let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Okay, I got pulled away from the unboxing due to a phone call, but we're back. One thing you missed was me opening sliding this out of the box. It's got a little clamshell styrofoam, so it's in good shape. Your standard plastic bag or a toddler toy. That's good. Here is your basic unit. One of the things you can do is vector the ultrasonic air somewhere. It's got this rotating nozzle, 360 degree rotating. It's got a variable speed control here. That's kind of nice, kind of an infinite rheostat. Pull this off, there's a little handle right on top. That's very convenient. Flip it over, fill it. And it's a 1 gallon thing, but it's small enough where it should fit in any bathroom sink. Some of these things you really have to take down the kitchen sink, but this will fit quickly there. Stays right in the bottom of it. Empty basin daily this way. So dump it out like that, and disinfect it with the. I'm sure there's directions on what you need to disinfect it. But I'm going to go fill this up, plug it in, and give it a try right away, see how it works. Fancy meter. It comes off, fits right into the sink, no problem. It's a little wobbly. I'm plugging it right here, right? The green light comes on, that's kind of neat. Let's full speed and look. Full speed and look. That looks quite nice.